So the big question for us is, will Xi Jinping turn out to be his father's son? Will he show that he has any empathy for the Tibetan people at all, that he shares any of his father's more liberal ideas, although I think it would be a stretch to say that Xi Jinping had any sympathy for Tibetan separatism. So I think our message for Xi Jinping is that if he is indeed visiting Lhasa in the next couple of days, it's a shame that the city seems to be under lockdown. He's certainly not going to learn anything about Tibet in those circumstances. And we would urge him, when he takes control of the Politburo Standing Committee, to make sure that Hu Jintao's influence over Tibet policy is firmly put aside. Because Hu Jintao is a failed leader. He has failed Tibet. And we have greater expectations of Xi Jinping, and hope that he will fulfill them by genuinely engaging with the exiled Tibetan government and allowing the Tibetan people the right to decide their own future.